Production process in IMMEX. In this case, the goal is to produce 50 units of a finished product, while monitoring the availability and the consumption, goods issue, related to the import pedimentos. It starts with the analysis using the report that tracks the components that are included in finished goods to be exported. The report variant of the imports versus production is selected and then the plant is chosen. The number of imported components that need to be checked are added. The report for the default period, 1 year in the past, from the current date is executed. The analytical report with the variant grouping by material and batch is displayed. It is evident that there are batches fully consumed by the production process, for example the label material. There are 2 batches with a quantity greater than 0. Since the plan is to produce 50 units, the batch with 14 units will be fully consumed and the remaining amount will be taken from the batch with 150 units. This happens because the BOM of the finished product uses 1 piece of the label component. It is now time to create the production order. The material, production plant, planning plant and order type is specified. The quantity is entered, and the base unit of measure is changed from milliliters to units. When verifying the component reserve as we did in advance in our app, components to be exported, it is clear that for material 431 there will be a component consumption from 2 different batches. The production order is saved. Production order confirmation. From the IMMEX portal the production confirmation app is opened. The recent production order is entered and the operation 10 is selected. The yield is proposed for confirmation. To make it simpler, the setup and machine percentages are not considered. The success message confirms a good movement of 6 that comes from the 4 imported components plus 2 extra used by the finished product. The same process is repeated for operation 20 and 30. In the last one, the confirmation type is set to final and the reserve is deleted. This movement is associated with the goods receipt into the plant for the finished product. Validation of consumption and pedimentos. The batch tracking app is opened. Just by selecting the plant, the app brings the batch and the production order. When selecting the line, we navigate to a detail screen where the batch consumption and the respective pediment are displayed. The materials without pedimento are locally sourced. In addition, the app displays the data about all import and local sourcing for the components used in the production of the finished product. Checking the details the differences between the locally sourced versus the imported components used in IMMEX. Last, the component stock versus the production consumption is validated again. Upon variant verification, we can see that the stock has been updated. Material 431 is used as a reference. Determination of plant stock. This app has complete visibility of the materials produced in the plant, or finished materials against the planned component consumption, scrap, waste, bill and planned quantities, HTS code, work in progress and some additional data. This video showed the production process for SAP ERP in IMMEX by Origen Tech. Thanks for watching.